Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my minifig club unboxing. This is for the month of January. I'm just going to dump everything out so that I can show you what's inside. So this is my card that I always hold on to. You put a sticker here and when you fill it up you get a prize. So really close to turning that in. Here's my sticker. So I can't wait to see what that is. I tried looking online and I didn't see anything, so I guess we will find out next month when I get that we'll find out next month when I get that sticker. I'll send it off. Okay, so each month we get a sticker that corresponds with the little one on here. Also get a bookmark. Art is not what you see, but what you make others see. Also get a magnet. So it looks like we have an art theme. Then this just talks about a photo challenge and their Facebook page. You get a postcard. And then here is the piece of the month, body parts, and then accessories. So let's take a look at the piece of the month. I'm thinking it's something to do with art since that seems to be the theme. And yes, it's a little paintbrush. How cute. And I always repackage everything because this is a subscription I bought for my son. So I put everything back and then when he gets home from school he gets to open it. So I'll do that off camera. And let's take a look at the people. So you get enough to make 3 full figures and then you get a couple extra pieces. So we have 2 plain blue feet. Also have a plain black and then this cream or khaki color. So we got those. Oh, this is cute. This is a fisherman's jacket. You can see the little hooks on there. Don't think we have a piece like that, so that one's cool. This one is a brown sweater, plain on the back. And then this one looks like a chef outfit. For the faces, we have this guy. He's just one-sided. Wow, this one looks very vintage. And we have gotten some vintage pieces, and these are all official Lego pieces. You have to be careful if that's important to you. Not all the Lego subscriptions are actual Lego. A lot of them are Lego compatible, so they're not official Lego pieces. So I mean, a kid probably won't care about that, but if you're an adult or a collector of the minifigures, it's a big deal, typically. So here are the accessories. We have a little sword. Ooh, another one. I don't think we have that one. That one's pretty cool. This piece. Lots of swords this month. Here's a gold one, a little dagger. A red sword. Oops. A silver one. A long black hairpiece. It's kind of rubbery and it's braided partially. That one's neat. A black hat. A brown, kind of, I don't even know what you call that. Kind of reminds me of like a pirate type hat where it ties in the back. A little feather that you can put on top. And then this little guy. Very cool. So that's what I got this month. If you're interested, I'll put the link below where you can join. It's really cheap and affordable, and it's cheaper if you sign up for a year subscription, which is what I did. So thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.